Ever wondered what it would be like to find a treasure chest in your mailbox? Picture this. You open your mailbox one day and instead of the usual bills and advertisements, you find a ticket to financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the Crazy Cash Cow direct mail program, this dream can become your reality. The Crazy Cash Cow program is a revolutionary twist in the world of direct marketing. When you join, you're instantly rewarded with $1,000 worth of grocery coupons. That's right, your favorite items at the grocery store, paid for by us. But the perks don't stop at the grocery store. The program also includes fast food coupons, perfect for those moments when you just want to indulge in a quick, tasty treat. As a token of our appreciation for joining the program, we also offer a 3-day, 2-night trip to a destination of your choice. Imagine a relaxing getaway just for joining a program. But what if you're in the direct mail marketing business or are thinking of diving in? Well, we've got a goldmine for you. The Crazy Cash Cow program delivers 500 full data leads complete with names, addresses, cell numbers, and emails of marketers who are eager to collaborate. So why keep potential partners waiting? They're just one call or mail away. You can join this exciting movement by visiting our website, www.alyourmoney.net, and discovering a world of opportunities. Alternatively, you can call us at 346-704-1754. Our team is ready and waiting to guide you through every step. To summarize, the Crazy Cash Cow program offers financial freedom, amazing bonuses, and a community of marketers waiting to collaborate. All these and more with just a simple sign-up. So why wait? Dive in and watch your dreams take flight with the Crazy Cash Cow program, transforming mailboxes into treasure chests, one home at a time.